Welcome to my channel. Today's video about how to fix mic not working in Google Meet. I am going to tell you 3 ways, just follow step by step. First, go to the Google Chrome and click on Settings, and type mic in search box. And click on Site Settings and make sure the option should be blue and Google Meet should be in Allow Settings. If this does not work, follow the number 2 method. If this does not work, follow the number 2 method. Go to the settings and click on Update and Security. Now click on the troubleshoot and look for the speech option. Click on that and run troubleshoot. Now click on Cortana can't hear me and set up the mic. Now method number 3. Go to the control panel. Click on Hardware and Sound. And click on Sound. And at the speaker or headphone setting should be green. This is how you can fix mic. Thank you for watching.